कैन डायबिटीज़ बी रिवर्स्ड? क्या डायबिटीज़ ठीक हो सकता है? जी हाँ, अ बिग yes to the question. Hi, this is dietitian Kinjal from Optima Remedy. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Make sure you watch today's video on diabetes reversal entirely, like and share with others, and most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are following us on Instagram and Facebook, you must be seeing that since last 1 month we are sharing a lot of knowledgeable content on diabetes, as November is always celebrated as Diabetes Awareness Month. But still, there is an ocean of things to be shared which we will do in near future for sure. But today's video is for giving a positive conclusion to Diabetes Awareness Month by explaining you how you can reverse your diabetes. Earlier it was not known, but today researchers are also proving that diabetes can be reversed. Scientific journals and researchers use the word remission instead of reversal because once reversed, diabetes can come back if you don't take care of your body. So, how do you define diabetes remission? It's when you maintain an absolutely normal blood sugar parameters without medication for 1 year to be called as partial remission, and for more than 5 years to be called as complete remission. And this is only possible when you lose weight, change your body composition, that is increase your muscle mass and reduce your fat mass, you look, feel and become internally fitter, and your body age decreases. Of course, maintaining all the blood parameters in non-diabetic range without medication goes without saying. So what will help you reverse your diabetes? Your action, your attitude and your practices. Stop the wrong behaviors and start with the right ones. This will surely help your body to transform and get better internally. Along with exercise, engaging in mind calming activities like meditation is very important because working on your emotion, your stress, your irritability, your anger is most important, as these mental and emotional changes can spike up your blood sugar levels. Hence, it's important to unlearn the negative thinking and learn new positive thinking attitude. Now, coming to a very important part of diabetes reversal journey. You may fall ill, you may catch an infection, there must be some life-changing event happening. So, the approach will change with each changing event. Behavior change is one of the most difficult choice, but it is possible if you take help of your family, friends, your support group, because some of the families doesn't allow the change of certain way of cooking, living. You might have a small kid at home, you might not have time from your office work. These could be genuine reasons, but we need to work on it, because unless and until we push ourselves from internally, our body will start giving signals which will obviously motivate you to work on your blood sugar levels. Because complications of diabetes are many. You may end up having heart attack, stroke, kidney issues. So before those come into picture, let's push ourselves, motivate ourselves and start working on diabetes reversal. Changing of attitude and behavior is very important because we have seen patients with diabetes saying, sugars तो normal रहते हैं, गोली चालू है ना. So you need to understand, गोली चालू है इसलिए शुगर्स नॉर्मल रह रहे हैं, जबकि आपकी बॉडी में खुद कैपेसिटी है शुगर्स नॉर्मल रखने की, अगर हम सही लाइफस्टाइल फॉलो करें तो. एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट प्लीज़ टेक अ हेल्प ऑफ एक्सपर्ट बिकॉज knowledge is present everywhere on the internet, but what is suitable for you, that can be decided only by an expert. So insulin is a key of locks present on the cells. Coming to next reason of insulin resistance is inactivity. Only walking is not just an exercise. You have to move your entire body. So make sure you do yoga, Surya Namaskar, strength training which will increase your muscle mass and stamina. We have covered this topic entirely on another video. Make sure you watch that. And because it's a long journey, there are going to be many life-changing events happening during that period. So it's important to change the approach with each coming event. Since it is a long-term journey, you cannot lack motivation. Few most important reasons for insulin resistance is excess fat in the body. So even if you are slim and trim but you have an abdominal fat or pot belly, that means you have an excess body fat composition. Next is inappropriate diet in terms of quantity, quality, as well as timings. Make sure you're completely avoiding refined sugars and flours like maida, including lot of green leafy vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, and most importantly, including protein. You have to be very patient because it is going to take a long time, dedication, and constant efforts from your side to see the transformation, attain the reversal, and maintain it. Because if not maintained, diabetes can come back. When we talk about type 2 diabetes, the main reason behind it is insulin resistance. In simple words, body's inability to utilize the insulin properly. The job of insulin is to take the glucose inside the cell. So I hope you like this video. Remember, diabetes reversal is possible, though it is difficult, but it is possible.